How to sign into Sephora on the website. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Sephora's official website. After you're in the website, click on Sign In at the top right. After you've clicked on Sign In at the top right corner of your screen, it will open this page. Click on Sign In again. After you've clicked on Sign In here, add your email address. Then add your password of this account. Then press on Sign In at the bottom, and you will be signed in to your Sephora account on the website. After you do this, you can shop as you want or scroll through it. And this is how to sign into Sephora on the website. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.